Welcome. Today in front of me REALME C21Y, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Gmail application, and here on the right upper corner tap on the icon, and here we can see that we are logged in into two accounts right now. So just to remove one account, just tap here to the manage accounts on this device section, and here just select one from these accounts that you wanna just remove. For example, I'll remove the first one. Just here tap to remove and confirm one more time, and as can you see, we got just one account. And now we'll check. Yeah, right now we are logged in or just into one account. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.